and welcome to Haru Style. In today's video I'm gonna show you my version of the ugly location photoshoot challenge. I've been really excited because it was the first time for me participating in a challenge like this. But the photos turned out really good, and that's probably because my friend Phil is such an amazing photographer. So we shooted on 2 days, in 3 different locations and in 3 outfits. Now let's have a look at the first location. So I'll be heading to the first location now with Phil, who's a good friend of me. He will take all the photos, and the weather kind of sucks. The sky's all grey, but we'll see if it works out. We've arrived at our first location now, and it's an old factory. I think it's perfect for an urban style shooting. So we'll see how it works out. I feel like the first location was probably the most difficult because actually many areas were locked. We couldn't go there. It's forbidden because it's dangerous. And you know, there were just areas which looked so great, and we thought, oh my god, this is probably the best spot to take a photo in there. But we couldn't go there. Well, there was one spot where we really wanted to take photos. But it was locked, so I actually climbed up the fence, which was pretty dangerous because there was broken glass all over the ground. I think many teenagers go there actually, climb up the fence and just drink their beer over there. So yeah, it was very dangerous, and I really was afraid to hurt myself. And was like, oh my god, Phil, here's broken glass all over. I think I'll cut myself. But it didn't happen, thank God. And I think the photos we took there turned out the best. So, you want to see the photos? Here they are! We are now at our second location. It's Dortmund city. Dortmund is kinda the ugliest place in Germany, so it's perfect for an ugly location shooting. So let's see. So for the second location we chose Dortmund City, which is pretty much the ugliest city I know. And we went there on a Sunday, which was clever because there weren't so many people on the streets. That's because the shops are all closed on Sunday in Germany. And yeah, I was surprised how many spots we could actually find, which looked really good and which just fit my outfit, you know. Because I didn't think like, you know, oh yeah, this outfit, oh yeah, I'll shoot it here and there. We just went there, just walked through the streets and looked for a nice spot, you know, and without preparations. And yeah, I was surprised how many spots we could find actually. It turned out really nice. And here are the photos. Hi, it's the second day of our ugly location photo shooting challenge. We decided to take photos in IKEA, which is actually not a really ugly place, but I'd say it's an unusual photo location. So I hope we don't get kicked out. We'll try our best. Let's go! So the third and last location was IKEA, which is actually not an ugly place, I know, but it's kind of special, you know, with some difficulties too. And we were actually afraid to get kicked out, but it didn't happen. The customers were so nice. They were like, oh, they're taking photos here. Okay, just walk around them. Don't disturb them. So nice. And the employees, it was kind of strange because some of them just walked past us without looking, you know, just ignoring us. So, okay, thanks for that. I totally recommend to go to IKEA and take photos there. They were so nice and we didn't have any problems. And the photos are so great because it's such a cozy place to take photos. You can just lie on a sofa with a book. You can just walk around a room. I really, really like them. And yeah, I'm gonna show you the photos now. that was my ugly location photoshoot challenge. I hope you liked it. If you did, like, share and subscribe. And of course you can have a look at those photos on Instagram too. Don't forget to follow my Instagram account. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye!